everyone, this is Granollers and today I am at the Granollers skatepark, LOS FOSOS. This is a very old school skatepark. It's one of the oldest skateparks in Spain. Actually, I think it was the very first bowl I ever skated when I was a kid. And very recently they made some works. They rebuilt some of the ramps. So let's check it out and see what they have done and if it's better or worse than before. And here we have the main bowl. They reworked all this area. The shape is the same as before, but now they changed the surface, the floor. They reworked all this area. They added some cupping pool. Even it's not really like cupping pool, is like a stone sort of. They added these steps to be like a swimming pool. The weird thing is they raised the whole level of the bowl like few centimeters, and before it was deeper. Actually, this ramp used to be like a full transition without a flat on the bottom, so it was very old school, and now it has like a flat. So I'm looking forward to test it and see if it's better or worse than before. And this one is the other bowl. This one was my favorite with the cupping. This cupping is amazing, like 50 years old and it's still like if it was new. But they added this silly thing here. This doesn't make any sense. I don't know what they have added. It's just to make it cooler, I guess. So in this bowl the only thing they have done is that thing, which is really not good probably for carving, but I don't know, maybe they have added it for pictures to make it cooler. I don't know, it doesn't make any sense. And then here we have the old double mini ramps. This they haven't done any work, they don't even cover the holes. This ramp is the same as the old bowl used to be, so it's a whole transition without a flat in the middle. But I used it to learn to drop in, and that was my first spine probably. And there's a mini rail there. I will give you my full review later after skating. Okay, so we are leaving now. We've been skating 1.5 hours maybe, and I could not do anything. I think the work they did in the skate park, it wasn't of much help really. I think they ruined the skate park. Like, this skate park was very old school before, like the ramps, like I said, it was a whole transition, the whole thing. But it was a fun skate park. Like, you could learn there, the cupping was great, the floor was quite smooth and fast. But now it's like the cupping, the pool cupping, is so weird, doesn't slide at all. It's so sticky, and in some areas that have been grinded, it's so rough. And the transition is weird near the cupping, like it goes out too much. And actually they built this floor on top of the old floor, and I don't know, it's not just leveled, it's like a little bit sideways, so I don't know what they did here, but really not so happy. It's cool because it looks like a different skate park, more like Californian, but not happy. I'm not sure if I will come back. I cannot really recommend it. But still, a few tricks, a few pictures, and it was a nice day to be out and skate. So let's hope the next skate park is better. See you next time.